today was matter in the court regarding Tarun Tejpal. So,
Yes, today the matter came up for hearing before the High Court. Learned Solicitor General of India, Tushar Mehta ji, appeared on behalf of the state government and argued the matter. Indeed, they have argued, and the court has been pleased to issue notice to the accused, returnable on 24th of June, which is the next date for hearing of this case. The court has indeed observed in the order that there is a case to consider grant of leave in this case, this matter, because there are some aspects in the judgment which are found to be required to be considered by the High Court. So, however, the court has not issued leave today, but court has issued notice to the accused. Will come up on 24th.
right. Okay, sir. There is one more question. Everybody heard that the manual of the victim. How this is
No, in fact, see, there is nothing reflected in the order about the manual, etc.
but we heard.
Yes, indeed, in the course of argument, that issue came up, and reading the judgment gives an impression that it acts like a manual to a rape victim, how she should behave or how she should react to it. So therefore, there was an issue that whether some guidelines are issued in this judgment, but it is not reflected in the judgment. It is the course of hearing that issue came up.
And sir, what is the next step for a state?
Leave has to be granted by the court. So for which now notice is issued. We have to serve a copy on the accused. We will issue notice to them. The court will issue notice to them. We will get it served. And on 24th, when the matter comes up, the state will argue for leave, because there is ample material on record which the Sessions Court has not considered, which is in favor of the prosecution. So therefore, the prosecution will try to point out to the court, to the High Court, that these are in fact the court has already considered. Of course, there is no order specific, but there is an observation that there is some places where the judgment is required to be reconsidered, and accordingly the court has said that there is a prima facie case to consider grant of leave. So let us see on the next date when we argue the matter. Learned Solicitor General will argue, and on that date let us see how it goes and what the court says about it. Whatever is the order on that day, we will be uploaded. Today's order will be uploaded in a short while also.